Hello iPhone users. Have you ever faced the frustrating issue where your iPhone just won't charge unless you turn it off after the iOS 17 update? We understand how inconvenient that can be, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Here, I'll show you 3 ultimate guidelines to troubleshoot the issue. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable charging optimization. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Battery, tap Battery Health and Charging. Enable battery charging optimization. Solution 2. Check your charging cable and adapter. Sometimes, a faulty cable or adapter can cause charging issues. Try using a different cable or adapter to see if that makes a difference. Solution 3. Check for an update. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then update it. Solution 4. Inspect your iPhone's charging port. Make sure it's clean and free from debris. You can clean your charging port and check your issue. If none of the above steps work, consider contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. We hope these steps help you get your iPhone charging smoothly again. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.